Wondering why your social media isn't working? Today we'll cover 4 reasons that might be and tell you how to fix them, all right? Let's get into it. Hello, busy people. Welcome to 5-Minute Social Media. If you have been putting out this effort on social media, but you've gotten frustrated because you're not getting anything in return or not as much as you think, you're in a great place. Every week we put out another quick video to help you with a different piece of your social media marketing strategy. If that sounds like something you could use, take a second, hit subscribe, click that bell, and that way you'll be notified each week when we release another helpful video. My name is Jerry Potter, and today we're going to talk about 4 reasons your social media isn't working. You put it out there, you get no engagement, you get no results. Why could that be? Well, let's go through some of the common reasons as well as cover how to fix them. The first one, you're doing too much selling. Have you ever logged on to Facebook or Instagram to go, let me see what kind of ads they're showing today? Outside of the Super Bowl, have you ever turned on the TV for the commercials? No, that's not why people are on social media. So you can't be selling to them all the time. They're there to connect with friends, family, like-minded people, to be entertained, to be informed. So is the stuff you're posting informative, entertaining, helpful? It should be. A good balance is about 80% of the time post about stuff that's not salesy, and then the other 20% of the time, 1 out of every 5 posts, you can do a little bit more sales type stuff in your post. Number 2 reason your social media isn't working for your business, you're not posting about things that your audience or your ideal customers and clients are interested in. If you're a mortgage broker, you might be really interested in interest rates and the Fed and all that stuff every single day of the year. But for most of your audience, even people shopping for loans, find a lot of that stuff boring. Think about things you can post that are interesting, entertaining, or helpful to your audience. The number 3 reason your social media isn't working, because you don't have a social media goal. Every time you post, you should have a goal in mind. Now, usually it's going to be engagement, but what is the goal of each post? Are you trying to get somebody to like it, to comment on it, to share it, to click a link to go to your website or somewhere else, to send you a messenger message in Facebook Message or DM you on Instagram? What is the goal? Then when you craft the post, build it around that goal. Just be careful though, because most social media algorithms will punish what they call engagement bait, like click like if you like puppies too, or tag a friend who also loves motorcycles. So you want to avoid that kind of engagement bait. Number 4 reason your social media isn't working for your business, because you're being business selfish. This kind of goes along with what we talked about in number 2, not posting things that your clients or customers are interested in, but it goes a little bit further than that. When you're coming up with posts, always ask yourself, what would my ideal customer or client like to see? You can actually start by going through your old posts and asking about each one. Would my ideal customer or client like this? Would they engage with it? Would they click on it? Ask some of your close friends that also fall into that demographic. Do a little quick research to figure out what they would like to engage with and what they wouldn't. By the way, be careful with this, because thinking things like, oh, well, my ideal customer or client would want to know that I'm offering 10% off. 10% is not that big of a deal. You are being business selfish with that mindset still. So that's 4 reasons your social media isn't working for your business. I've actually got a list of 7, and I go a little bit more in depth on all of them. If you'd like to grab that, check out the link in the description of this video. It's a free download. Got questions? Leave them in the comments. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider giving it a like, hit subscribe. You're not only supporting me at 5-Minute Social Media, but also my 2 tiny superheroes at home.